Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well and a very welcome back to my channel Zanan. I am Eftyyyyy Salman Eftyyyyy. So today I am going to talk about an important topic in research methodology, which is data collection procedures, data analysis and validation, and report writing structure. I hope this video will be very helpful for the student who are related to economics. So let's get started. In the introduction part of data collection procedures, there are some key points. Importance of specifying data types, sampling strategies, and validity approaches. There are some types of data that we collect. They are such as quantitative data and qualitative data. In quantitative data, there is also structured data, numerical data, and closed-ended data. In qualitative data, there is descriptive data, narrative data, and open-ended data. There are also some methods such as interviews, observations, which can be both. So in the next page, we will talk about sampling strategies. In quantitative sampling, it basically uses random sampling for generalizability. In qualitative sampling, it basically uses purposeful sampling for in-depth understanding. In mixed method sampling, it involves stratified purposeful sampling, purposive random sampling, sequential sampling, which is one phase informs the next, concurrent sampling, which is quantitative plus qualitative independently or jointly, and lastly the multi-level sampling, which is the data from different level of analysis. In the next page, we are going to talk about visual model and application. For example, we can see the sequential explanatory model. In the sequential explanatory model, in phase 1, there is quantitative survey. In quantitative survey, there is descriptive and inferential analysis. In qualitative observations, there is thematic analysis. Descriptive analysis is mainly summarizing and describing the key features of a dataset like frequency, central tendency, etc. And inferential analysis mainly uses sample data to draw conclusions or make predictions about larger population. Another one remains, which is thematic analysis. In thematic analysis, it is a qualitative research method that involves identifying, analyzing, and interpreting patterns or themes within qualitative data. In the next page, we will talk about data analysis in mixed method research. Data analysis depends on the research strategy and occurs in both quantitative, such as numerical analysis, and qualitative analysis. Common mixed method analysis strategies. Data transformation. It mainly converts qualitative data into numerical data, and this can be vice versa for comparison. Explore outliers. Using qualitative interviews to understand outlier cases from quantitative data. Instrument development. Using qualitative themes to create and validate survey instruments. Examine multiple levels, collecting both quantitative and qualitative data from different levels. In the creation of a matrix part, it mainly combines quantitative and qualitative data into a structured matrix for analysis. Next, we come to the page of validity in mixed method research. It mainly ensures accuracy and reliability. In quantitative validity, reliability and validity of instruments are used. Addressing threats to internal validity in experiments and surveys. In qualitative validity, triangulation, member checking, and detailed descriptions to ensure accuracy. In mixed methods validity, which is also known as legitimation, blended philosophical positions, high quality inference, study value for consumers are all included. In common validity challenges, we face some challenges. They are sample selection and size, contradictory results, bias in data collection, and lastly, conflicting research questions. In mixed methods report writing structure, first we need to choose a strategy. In sequential strategy, we basically convert quantitative data to qualitative data, or it may be vice versa, or maybe can be qualitative to quantitative. In concurrent strategy, both collected simultaneously and later it analyzed together. In transformative strategy, focuses on advocacy, uses sequential or concurrent structure. There are some key considerations in report writing structure. They are the timing of data collection, weight given to qualitative versus quantitative data, how the data is mixed, and lastly, the use of theoretical lens. So if we want to structure the report, we can do a sequential study. In phase 1, quantitative or qualitative data collection or analysis. In phase 2, qualitative or quantitative data collection and analysis. In conclusion, how qualitative findings extend quantitative results. Concurrent study. It includes separate sections and combined analysis. In separate sections, quantitative and qualitative data collection are included. In combined analysis, finding convergence or similarities are included. In transformative study, we need to conduct the main body. At the end, we do the agenda for change or reform. In data analysis and validity, the data transformation, exploring outliers, multi-level analysis are important. Combining quantitative and qualitative findings and ensuring validity procedures are described. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video will be very helpful to you all. For more videos, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And lastly, don't forget to hit the bell icon for further updates.